Hey there, Tom here from FIBONACCI'S.com here. I hope everybody's enjoying this weekend. Welcome and thank you very much for joining my Top Stocks to Watch weekly video. Please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, and let's see the charts. Earnings season coming to a boiling point this week. All the big names, Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft, and many more names are reporting this week, except Apple. So this is the most crucial weeks of them all for this earnings season. Pay attention, it will affect the rest of the market. ALGN, first name on my list. Weekly chart, ALGN reporting Monday. So pay attention for this. 361 to the upside, we can start taking our long position. 303 to the downside, we can start taking our short position. Of course, we follow price, use levels, and we do our own due diligence. We never follow blindly anyone on social media, and it doesn't matter if it's free or paid. We can get ideas, but in the end of the day, it's up to us. Do our own due diligence. Costco, price action, getting tighter and tighter with lower highs, higher lows, long at 2 or 3 days, breaking above this white trend line to the upside and above 521. Short, we can start preparing, breaking below this white trend line and below the 473. Patience, it will break to one side, to the upside or to the downside. Always prepare for both sides. Then we can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now we have all the levels that we need. Breaking above 511 actually, and above this white trend line, or below this white trend line, below the 467. EXC, earnings May 1st. Long above 44, short below 42 to the downside. Always prepare for both sides, and don't forget we are looking on the weekly chart. So if we want to take long, we need 2 or 3 days break above the 44, or 2 or 3 days break below the 42. Triple R, uptrend channel until proven otherwise. Triple R, May 1st earnings. Let's see continuation above 48 towards this red trend line. Now, if we want to be more accurate, we can take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high, above 48, 60, 49 to the upside towards the red trend line together with the 55. Follow price, use levels and trend lines to manage risk. EAT on the weekly. Also earnings May 1st. Uptrend until proven otherwise. We also have this trend line over here that holds the higher lows. Long continuation above 40 towards this upper trend line. Let's see where price will take us. Swing low, swing high, above last week's highs towards the 42. Breaking up and above, we are going to retest this red trend line. Run. Earnings also May 1st. Run starting, trying at least to go all the way to this red trend line. Let's see if bulls can take it up and once and for all break above this red trend line. This red trend line goes all the way, can do also like this one here, goes all the way to November of 2021. We have several trend lines. It all depends on the time frame that you are looking at. Here we can see this long trend line goes all the way to January of 2021. 2.5 years of a downtrend. Still have time, but let's see continuation above last week's high towards 23. Above it, this red trend line will get retested. MAXN, next on my list. Last week broke above the 30 area, we can just put a line over here, and then we can see this 30 area from support over here during 2021, resistance in the past few weeks or so. Now, last week broke up and above. Now we can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Next will be 35 to the upside. Let's see continuation, and then we can use the 30 as our risk management. SEDG, Sedge, Solar Edge, we have broadening formation. Let's see continuation towards this upper red trend line. Earnings, May 1st. Keep that in mind. Swing low, swing high. 305 now will act as support. Let's see continuation towards the 346 as the next major resistance. Breaking above the 346, we can assume with high probability this red trend line will get retested. Nike, very nice consolidation between the 117 and the 130. Long above 130. Nike earnings still have time. So let's see, 2-3 days above the 130. Then we can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. 138 to the upside is the next resistance. CRM, 200, basically very tough resistance. So naturally we want 2 or 3 days closing above it. We can take Fibonacci, and we see that from this very long downtrend since November of 2021, from 311 towards the 126, we have a bounce towards the 50% retracement. The 200 from support to resistance, long continuation above it, and then 221 to the upside is next resistance. INSP, continuation to the long side above 283. 283 is also all-time highs. Very nice. We can call it, if you want, inverted head and shoulders. You have here the left shoulder, head or double bottom, right shoulder. Now let's see continuation above the 288 to the upside. Then we have 337 as next resistance. EXAS next on my list. 71 to the upside, we can start taking our long position, and below this white trend line and below the 62 area, we can start taking our short position. If you find anything that you see or hear on this channel, I would appreciate if you take 1 second, hit the like, subscribe, maybe share with friends and help me grow this channel. Will be much appreciated. And don't forget, check the description, check the links in the description below for more educational resources. We have the Fibonacci Traders Academy free playlist, 20 videos, each video 20 minutes or less, on how to become a better trader each and every day. Technical side and the mental side. Don't forget, the psychology behind trading is 90% of trading. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you don't have the mental resilience, it doesn't matter. The strategy does not matter. You need to know your own mental weaknesses and strengths, and then you can become a better trader. Hubs, 433 to the upside, long continuation, 385 to the downside. We can start taking our short position. Always prepare for both sides, because no one knows what will happen next. We follow price. We use our levels and trend lines to manage our risk. Nothing more, nothing less. Risk management. It's the only thing we have full control of as traders. So always work on your mental side, the psychology behind trading, and risk management. Think about it this way. How much am I willing to lose on each and every trade that I'm going to take? This is your starting point. because this is all you have full control of. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the opening bell, stay safe.